Hello, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to STDFarms. If today is your first time and you haven't subscribed to our channel, click on the subscription button down there and also splash on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you will be notified. And to our fans who have been supporting us, thank you very much. Today we're bringing you part 2 of the grasses that we did. So stay tuned with us as we bring you everything you need to know about agriculture.
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace ain't gonna get it married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpets sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise.
So you know they see say people love me. You know see say I live in luxury. We know all of you, you'll be hungry for this industry. You know go fi show me nothing. Bring horse, I go bring my thoughties. On God, me, I promise. You go be the hour of the day. If you don't know, you for ask, stop rushing. This stick, the sea need brushing. On God, me, I promise. You go be the hour of the day. Sabotage, then try.
Welcome back to our channel, and today we are here to do part 2 of the grasses that we did. But before that, I want you to just stay close to something and look at something that we have here. Just look at the type of soil that we have here. It's very strong and it's not that fertile, but just look at the type of soil that we have here. But these people are trying to make it in this type of soil. So what are we doing in Africa? Are we saying that the government should provide jobs for us or what? Just look at the type of soil that people are using it to feed their animals. What are we waiting for? Africa, as I keep saying, we have all it takes. We have the natural resource to build Africa. So let's come together and build Africa, because no one is going to build Africa for us. This is the type of soil I've been saying. Just look at the type of soil that they have here in different parts of the world. The soil has been turned round, it has been plugged, and it's ready to plant their grasses. So just look at the type of soil that they have here, and let's go to other parts. This is the grass that they've planted to feed their animals. These grass are mainly for their animals. They will plant this grass, process it, and feed their animals. They usually use this type of grass to do their hay and silage. And if you don't know how to do hay and silage, I'm going to bring you a video on how to do hay and silage and explain hay and silage to you. This is what they use here in different parts of the world. Actually, we are in Spain here, and this is what the farmers do. These guys are not joking. They can use about 100 acres of land just to plant grass for their livestock. What are we doing in Africa? And they have their irrigation system. They have water supplying the plants so that the plants will grow. Within 2 or 3 weeks, they cut down this grass and new grass will germinate. So what are we doing? If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just subscribe to our channel, because as I promise you, STD will bring you everything. When I say everything, I mean everything you need to know about farming. Just look at how the grasses are, going up and down, wind blowing nicely, lovely. Just amazing.